Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a HTTP error 401. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Select see all data and permissions. In search you just need to type the website name that you're getting this error and select the trash icon and select delete option. After deleting it, on left side select extensions, turn off all the extensions and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands, just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you need to change the browser guys. You can use the Edge browser as an alternative to Chrome. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.